What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have a huge box of EOS lotions, okay? And I did a review of this lotion on my channel a while ago, which you guys really liked. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. But this has been one of my favorite lotions. I've been using it for a while now. And oh, what was that? Who blowing up my line? Nobody. That's cute. Anyways, but so is it EOS or EOS? Because I've heard people say both and I actually really don't know which one is the right one. So if you do know, in the comments, let me know. But I just say EOS. EOS sounds funny to me, but that's besides the point. We are going to get into the new scents that they just dropped, y'all, and I am honestly so excited for these. So the first one that I'm sure you guys want to see, want to know about, is the Strawberry Dream. Now I'm not sure if it's focusing. Okay, it is. So this is the Strawberry Dream packaging. On the back it does say the notes, but I'm gonna let you guys know the notes and everything. So this one is sparkling strawberry, pink sugar, and vanilla cream, y'all. And so I have smelled these. As you see, the cap isn't popped off because I haven't used them. I just smelled them, and I put a little bit of this one on my hand just from the little pump thing. But I got some thoughts. But first, let me just go through the ones that I got. So of course, next up, EOS Pink Champagne. These bottles are so cute. One thing about EOS is I love their packaging. Just like in general, I feel like all of these bottles are so cute. They know how to get you with the packaging. Like, they're gonna make you want to buy all of them just off the packaging, even if the notes is not adding up to something that you normally like. But this one has pear champagne, ruby pomegranate, and plum suede. So here is the back of this one. So let me just show you guys these two, because these are the two newest ones. So side by side, just in case you guys wanted to see. I'm honestly so excited for these, you guys. Okay, so let me just get into some other ones that I haven't tried. I want to do a ranking for these, but I'm missing two. So I still need coconut water and, is it peach jasmine or something like that? But I don't like peach scents. So let me know how the peach one smells in the comments down below if you've smelled it. Let me know, and also let me know about coconut water, because I do want to do a review of all the scents. But this is the one that I used last night and it was a love for me. So this is Fresh and Cozy. This one has Morning Light, Dewy Cassis, and Sheer Musk. I really do like this one. It's a really clean, nice, everyday, fresh out the shower type of scent. And then let me hurry up and go through these because I know what y'all are really here for. But next is the Pomegranate Raspberry one. The packaging, really cute. I absolutely love pink. This one has sweet pomegranate, tart raspberry, and lotus blossom. I have some thoughts on this one, and I haven't actually used it on my body, but I have some thoughts. I also did grab the fragrance-free version because for certain fragrances, I don't always want to have a strong lotion, or, you know, some days I just don't want to do all that. So this is a really nice option. I'll let you know how much of a fragrance-free lotion this is, okay? And then of course the classic, this has been mine. It's not new, this is just, I had to pull it out for the video. Of course we had to bring out the OG of the OG, vanilla cashmere. And this one has notes of whipped vanilla, soft musk, and cozy caramel. So just real quick, look at that. It's so nice. I was so happy when I got this package, you guys. I did make a short, and if you want to check out the short, you can, but it's nothing crazy. Anyways, so let's get into the two scents. I'm gonna start off with Pink Champagne because Strawberry Dream is the one that you're most excited for, and I need you to stay till the end. So let's get into this one. I'm gonna go ahead and let me just twist it first. I do want to pop it because I did want to use this one today, but let's just get in. Ooh, let's get into what this smells like. Okay, so to me, this smells like champagne. Like, you do get this like fizzy pear, but it's so good, y'all. And I didn't really think I was gonna like this one, but I like this. Yeah, it's really, I get the pear mainly. It's very fruity. I don't know about the plum suede, but I can say that I do probably get like the pear champagne for sure. And then that pomegranate note is also making this a bit more fruity. Let me just get a little bit of this in. I was really actually excited when I smelled this one because I wasn't really knowing what to expect with this one. I was just going into it like this is new. But yeah, even on skin, this is very like summery, fresh, fruity. I don't think I get any florals, but you do get that pear champagne, y'all. This is so good. And I'll get into like my ranking so far because I do want to get the other ones and then do like a full ranking. Be on the lookout for that, but for now we'll just rank the ones I have. But I really actually like this, and this is like up there for me. But wasn't expecting to actually dig this one the way that I'm rocking with it. But yeah, very like effervescent, very champagne, very pear forward. So if you like pear, I think this will pair really, literally will pair really nice with all of your like pear fragrances, because a lot of, not lotions, a lot of fragrances do have pear notes in them, and honestly I do love a pear note. It gives almost like this sweet, juicy vibe, and that's what I'm getting with this. Very sweet, very fruity, very juicy, bubbly, sparkling, youthful, pretty. So yeah, I think this will pair well with a lot of things, so be on the lookout because I will be doing some little like scent of the day layering combos on shorts. So be sure to subscribe so you can see my shorts. But yeah, this is really, really good, and I like it more than I was thinking I was gonna like it. So really good job with this one. Let's get into the one that I know you clicked this video for. Like, obviously this is the one I've been hunting down for days since I saw the pictures and saw that this was coming out. This is Strawberry Dream, y'all. So y'all, this one is good. This one gives me vibes of Vanilla Cashmere, like it's in that same family. Not saying that they smell anything alike, but almost that like edible, delectable vibe. But this is like strawberry, vanilla cream, but like fluffy and very light. Like this isn't something that I think is overpowering. When I put this on my hands, it was very like a light, sugary vanilla scent. Not vanilla, well yeah, vanilla, but like you can smell the strawberry. Like I get the strawberry. It is not like heavy. It's not like a heavy strawberry, but it is like almost like a strawberry shortcake, or like something like with like strawberries and like strawberry glaze, but with a little bit of that vanilla and creaminess in there, but make it light and fluffy and sugary and airy. Yeah, this is a good one. Let me put a little bit of this one on the back of my hand so I can smell it. I put a little bit more of this one because honestly, you guys, this is the one that I've been wanting to smell. Yeah, the strawberry comes out right away from me right now, like just smelling this. Yeah, it's good, and it's very moisturizing, the same formula as all of the other ones. But yeah, like it's very light, like it's not overpowering, so don't think like, oh, this is gonna knock somebody out. I honestly think Vanilla Cashmere is a lot stronger than this. Yeah, this is really nice. I think this is fluffy, girly, pink vibes. That pink champagne though is really nice too. I think the pink champagne is a bit more grown. To me, this one's a little bit more sweet, more innocent, but I really like it, y'all. I really, really like it. I think that these are both really, really nice scents. I do think pink champagne might be a little louder because I can smell it. Like right when I smell this area, it pops. This, I put it all over, almost all over my whole hand, and it's very light. Like you can just smell it all over, but it's like faint. So I think this will be good for layering for nighttime. Yeah, I just can't stop smelling it though. It's something about this that is just so sweet and edible, but like not over the top. Because if you didn't like Vanilla Cashmere, you felt like it was too much, you might like this because it is lighter. Like it is not as heavy as Vanilla Cashmere. Vanilla Cashmere will like knock you out. These lotions actually do last though. Like when I put this on my hand, I was smelling it all throughout the day while I was working, and that was just from putting it on my hand. Even though it's light, it lasts in a sense, if that makes sense. So this is really good. Let me go ahead and jump into, let me smell this one just to remind myself of it. So yeah, this one's heavy on the caramel, heavy on the vanilla. It's more punchy, like for sure. Like you definitely get, these are almost like the same in a sense, but this one's definitely heavy hitter. Like you just, I think it's the caramel. Yeah, and I'm almost like down to here with this, but these last so long, y'all. And granted, I have like a lot of lotion, so like I'm not using the same lotion every single day. This lotion has lasted me like months. Like I've been having this for months. It's so thick that a little bit goes a long way. You don't need a lot, and I love that the formula is consistent. Ooh, that champagne is buzzing. But anyways, really like this one. You know, this one's more for my gourmand girlies. This one is definitely for my gourmand girlies, but this one just takes more of that gourmand aspects versus this one. This one's like sweet, light, fluffy gourmand, and this is like heavy hitter gourmand. So this can be a little overpowering in the summertime. I really like this in the winter time, especially being the fact the formula is just so like moisturizing and all that good stuff. So fresh and cozy. I really like this. This is for my clean girls, the girls that don't like gourmands. You're not gonna want this. You're not gonna want vanilla cashmere for sure. You're gonna be like, girl, that's doing the absolute most. You might like this. If you're not a gourmand girly, you might like this. But if you like fresh and clean scents, fresh out the shower, musky, almost could be a little masculine in a sense, you're gonna really like this one. I used this one when I got out the shower yesterday, and I loved it. Ooh, these smell so good, y'all. They really do their thing with the scents, y'all. So yeah, this is very clean. Smells like it could be a soap or a body wash. Very like almost like a cologne-y vibe. Like it has almost like a cologne clean scent. And I'm guessing, I don't know what Morning Light smells like, but I really like this one. When I put it all over my body, it was really good. And I paired it with Bare Magnolia from Victoria's Secret. That's a bomb combo. That is a bomb combo because that one has vanilla musk, magnolia, and I think it's like orange flower. But that's besides the point. It was like the magnolia mixed with like that vanilla musk, because there's sheer musk in this. It just like was like, they smelled almost the same. The fragrance just took it up a notch. But it was a really nice combo, and I really actually enjoy this one. This one actually is pretty high up on my list because I do like fresh scents. I mean, don't get it twisted, I like vanilla, but I also do like smelling clean, smelling fresh, having that just like clean smell. Sometimes those really strong gourmand heavy smells kind of make my head hurt, so it's always nice to have options, fresh options, clean options to pair with those fragrances that are not so cakey, vanilla heavy. That Strawberry Dream, y'all, is strawberry dreaming. So I just knew I was gonna love this one though, because I was like, yeah, like I keep seeing everybody do layering combos with this lotion, and I'm like, okay, I just need to go ahead and get it. So when I ordered the 2 new ones, I was like, this was the next thing that I put in my cart, because I was like, I need to see what the pomegranate raspberry smells like. So I don't know what it is, but something in here smells like a weird tartness to me. And I don't know, maybe it'll be different on skin, maybe it'll be better layered with fragrances, but I just feel like those other ones, the other 4 that I just spoke on, they don't need anything. Like I could just wear those by themselves, and adding fragrance is just adding a little bit of extraness. This, on the other hand, I feel like it needs something else because it just smells funny to me, and I can't put it any other way but just the fact that it smells funny. Like it's something weird in here. I don't know if it's the pomegranate, maybe it's the lotus, but I don't like it that much. So I don't know, it's not a bad scent, it's not terrible, but I do feel like I would need to like spazazz this one up. Those other ones over there, like they don't need nothing. Okay, and the last one is the fragrance free. I just wanted to include this one for my girlies that didn't want anything. Maybe they're sensitive to, you know, fragrance, or also you just want something that is fragrance free to layer with your other fragrances, and you don't want to like clash, you don't want to do the most, you just want something moisturizing for the base of your fragrance. Then I would recommend the fragrance free version. There's no notes because there is nothing. You just have, you know, the oils and ingredients that are in the lotion, so the same exact formula and everything. This one smells like nothing really. It does almost have like maybe like an oil smell to it, but it's honestly really nothing. And I feel like this is great for my girls that don't want to smell like anything but still want the formula of the EOS lotion. I'm glad that they do have this. My first one is pink champagne. This is good. Like it's like fruity, but there's like something in here. I don't know if it's the champagne. It almost smells like a sparkling pear soda, but good. Like I would love this in a perfume. This smells really good. I wasn't expecting to like this one this much. It may change. Stuff may change. Next up is Strawberry Dream, which is like, girl, why are you picking the newest ones to be your top? This may change. I'm going to use these more on my body, but as of now, I think I like this one more than Vanilla Cashmere. And the only reason I say that, Vanilla Cashmere comes in heavy second, only because I just kind of, I don't know, this one's kind of a lot on some days. This I feel like is so light but sweet and fluffy and airy that I can get away with this every day. This one I feel like I can't. I mean, I can literally, but I just feel like, so yeah, this one comes in third place, Vanilla Cashmere. And then really Vanilla Cashmere and Fresh and Cozy are kind of equal, because I honestly have been feeling this one a little bit more. Granted, I've had Vanilla Cashmere longer, so I'm kind of like used to it a little, like, okay, like I'm tired of it, but I really do like this one a lot. Like, this is like no joke. Even though it's fourth, it's like really, it doesn't even deserve to be fourth. Like, it could be third potentially. Like, it's really nice. It could be second potentially, because it's really nice. I really like it, but I may get tired of that fresh scent. That's not my like go-to thing, but for certain times I like it. But oh yeah, Strawberry Dream is just sugary and strawberry. I can't get over that. Next, because I don't have the other ones, so next I'm gonna have to go fragrance free. I just like that this one is nothing but still nice and same formula, and you know, it actually is close to being fragrance free, versus sometimes fragrance free lotions, they're not fragrance free. They're like, they got a little something else to it. And then this one's gonna have to be last. I just am not vibing with this one. I may have to put it on my skin, but I just feel like the other ones, they smell great even in the bottle. This one just has like a weird after smell to me. Like, it smells weird, like almost oldish. Maybe it's the tart. I think it's the tart raspberry. It's something about the tartness of this that I don't really like, but it may be nice layered, so I'm not gonna, you know, fully just throw this one to the trash yet. But I will be getting the coconut water and the peach one, so I can do a full ranking. And also I'm going to start using these so I can actually put them on skin after I got the shower, layer them, and then really come back and give you guys my ranking. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you've tried any of the new ones. Let me know if you tried any of the old ones. Let me know about the peach one and the coconut water one, because I'm interested. I already got them in my Amazon cart, and if y'all let me know, I'm honestly just gonna go place the order. So let me know in the comment sections down below which one's your favorite, which one you're thinking about getting. And until then, you have to catch my next one. So bye.